Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclop. In this video, we are discussing question number 6a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp anytime. And if you have other queries, you can also contact. The contact number is 900 936 8238. Now the project, so in this one you have to prepare a project on the poverty alleviation, then employment programs in India under the following headings. So some headings are given in design of the cover page, acknowledgement, introduction, objectives, what is five programs after period of the year 2000 onwards with its objectives, targets and achievements and conclusions. So this question is taken from the lesson um, 4. If you want this, you can contact us anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video for further questions. Thank you.